What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy Arkham on Coinbase. As you can see, I'm already logged into my Coinbase account. If you aren't, just do that. And after that, you will arrive at this homepage. For the first step, we will click on the buy and sell button right on top. Just click it. And after that, this buying overview will be opened. So we can select the purchase frequency on top, as you can see. Now it's selected a one-time purchase. That is also what we want. But if you would like to select a different purchase frequency, you can select it in this list. They have different options like a daily, weekly, twice a month or a monthly option. For now, we will leave it at this. And after that, you can fill in the amount of fiat you would like to use to buy your assets. I'm using €2, as you can see. And after that, we can select the asset we would like to buy. So we would like to buy Arkham, and we will tick in ARK, and as you can see, it will appear in the list. Now we will select it, and after that, you can select the wallet you would like to use for the payment. I'm using my Euro wallet because I live in Europe, but if you are living in the United States or another country, just select it and select the wallet you would like to use for the payment. If it doesn't show up with any available payment methods, you need to add a new payment method by clicking on the button below. After you have added it, it will be appearing in this list and you can select it. Now we can click on Review Order to see some more information about the purchase we are going to make. Click on it, and as you can see, we are buying 0.5 coins and the purchase price is €1.01. The Coinbase fee is 99 euro cents, and the total amount we are spending is the €2 we already have filled in the previous overview. You also can select a invest weekly option. If you would like to buy this amount every week at the same moment, then you can select it and you can cancel it at any time. If you don't want to use that, just click on buy now and the coins will be added directly to your wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.